Hey guys, Frank here with American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. You can reach me, Frank Rubio, at 786-307-3304, or you can reach Jose Rubio at 954-639-1468. Today we're going to do a startup demonstration on our 2020 Vermeer BC1000. This unit is equipped with a 2.9 liter Dirtz 74 horsepower diesel engine. It's a 12-inch feeder wood chipper. This unit has been completely serviced. Oil change, fuel filters, belts, teeth. Wheel hubs have been greased. Zero maintenance required. This unit is ready to go to work today, guys. We're gonna go ahead and do a startup demonstration video.